Hey y'all, today I'm going to make some chicken tetrazzini. Started with about a pound of chicken. We're going to cook this and then shred it. I'm just cooking mine in a pan with a little olive oil, but you can cook this in the crock pot, bake it, whatever's easiest for you just to get it cooked. In a separate bowl, we're going to add 1 cup of sour cream, 1 10.5 ounce can of cream of chicken soup, 10.5 ounce can cream of mushroom soup, 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of minced garlic, onion powder, about a teaspoon, black pepper. If you don't like it, just leave it out. Parsley flakes to make it look fancier than what it really is, and a little basil. Maybe a half teaspoon of basil. I'm going to stir in about a cup of cheese. You can use any cheese that you have or whatever you like. I'm going to add the chicken. You can dice it or shred it. Here I have a package of cooked spaghetti. You can use the whole 1 pound box or you can use a little less. I chose to use just a little bit less. I'm going to pour this into a 9 by 13 baking dish. And we'll pop it in the oven. (350°F) for 20 minutes. And it's ready. How is it?
Good.
Just good?
Delicious!
Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.